Hello guys, Mehdi's here, and today we're gonna talk about how you can reverse list in Python. So basically you're in two situations. Either you need a main list later or you don't need it. So let's get to it. I run my IDE, it's IDE, and we have a list here which is Barney, Robin, Ted, Lily, and Marsh. So let's pretend you don't need the main list later. So you use method reverse. You can use it this way. You write the list name and dot reverse. You write this and you print your list. When you run your code, let's see: Marsh, Lily, Ted, Robin, and Barney. Here you see Marshall, which was the end of the first list, and you don't have main list, so you can use second way. With this way you are able to use your main list later. You write this: student name. Let's write R student name, which means reverse student name, equal to student name. You use slicing here. You write two columns, and in first position you write a number, in second position you write a number, and in third position you can write a number. Here you don't write anything because it's first. It's when your slicings begin. So when you write 1, it's begin with Robin. So when you don't write anything, it's begin from first. And with in second position, when you don't write anything, it means you are going to the end of the list. And in third position you write your step. When you write 2, which means Barney, you skip Robin, and you go to Ted, and you skip Lily and Marshall. When you write -1, it means you start from end of the list: Marshall, Lily, Ted, Robin, and Barney. So you print your object here. And you run your code. You get Marshall, Lily, Ted, Robin, and Barney. So that was it. Until next video, peace.